All right, everybody, if your front porch is in need of a little bit of a makeover, but you only have a little bit of money, then this video is perfect for you because I spent $0 on this entire front porch makeover that we are going to see in just a minute. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. That's Otis peeking around the corner. Welcome to my channel. All right, you guys, now I know you're probably wondering, how in the heck did he redo his entire front porch for $0? Well, I'm gonna tell you, every time I do a shopping haul, I talk about an app called Fetch Rewards. And if you're familiar with Fetch Rewards, then you already know what I'm talking about. Fetch Rewards is an app that you can download, and every time you go shopping, all you do is scan your receipts, and then eventually you earn enough points from those scanned receipts that you can then redeem those points for gift cards. And I was able to use all of my receipts from all of my shopping hauls and also for my referrals from people like you, and I was able to redeem almost $600 worth of Amazon gift cards, and that is what I did my entire front porch with. So let's get started, because the first thing we have to do is clear off all of this stuff, and I gotta do it with the broken wing here. This is my left arm, by the way. Now, obviously, this footage is sped up, and as you can see, I'm using my one good arm, and I am using my left arm just a little bit here. Ironically enough, I was released from the splint the next day. I did not have to go into the cast as I was expecting to. My doctor was super, super happy with all the progress. I do have to kind of take it a little bit easier on this left arm for a little while, and we'll have to go through some physical therapy to regain the strength. I don't have a lot of strength in this arm right now. I can't really lift anything other than about 5 pounds, which is kind of crazy. And, I'm just kind of taking my time here and sweeping and cleaning off, and then I will spray and hose everything off. And then we will get started bringing in all of the new stuff. All right, you guys, now that I have the front porch all cleaned up, I wanted to go ahead and tell you what I was able to get with my Fetch Rewards gift cards. There's an airplane flying above, so hopefully you don't hear a lot of that. But I was able to get quite a few things. Now, my furniture I'm going to be keeping on my front porch, but I wanted to revamp it with a new rug. I wanted a new fountain. I wanted a new piece for the wall that's here behind me. And I also wanted some new pillows. And I was able to get all of that again with Fetch Rewards. And then I also had enough left over to get a new plant stand for the side of the porch here. Typically I had this kind of rustic looking cart, and unfortunately it is rusted to the point of no return. So I'm going to be replacing that with this plant stand. So now let's get started loading everything in here. So the first thing I did was wrestle with this plastic on the rug. This rug was actually shipped in this plastic, which was great. It's super heavy duty plastic. The rug came in, it's in perfect condition. It was just a little challenging to get all of this plastic off. And I definitely said a few choice words because I, again, was trying to hold it with that left arm and cut this plastic off. But eventually, you see that I do get the plastic off, and what a gorgeous rug this is. I absolutely love the colors. It's got blue, it's got white, which are key colors on my front porch, and then, of course, those pops of yellow really bring in the front door color, which, again, I am totally obsessed with. Now, this part you guys are going to love. So I always have a very bad habit of taking my pillow covers and just covering whatever pillow I'm recovering. So I literally had to take 3 different pillow covers off of my outdoor pillows in order to get these new pillow covers on, because they were just too thick at that point. And trying to do this with one arm, by the way, or 1.5 arms or 1 3/4 arms, is not easy. So yeah, you saw me at one point kind of use my teeth to help like pull some of that, and it was ridiculous. And the voiceover of this, the reason why I'm voicing this over is because it was ridiculous. The grunts and the growls and the ow, my arm hurts, and ouch and ooch and owls. It was just way too much. So I had to just kind of dub this over and let you guys know. But I love those pillow cases that I got, or those pillow covers, just kind of flattening them out right now and making sure. But the white background ground of those pillows was, all those pillow covers would have shown through. So I had to cover these or uncover them to cover them, if that makes sense. Now, I was also able to accessorize my front porch a little bit with this cute, adorable little bird that I picked up from Amazon, and also this faux snake plant. I really loved the pops of color. I loved how the bird kind of blends in with the blues and, you know, the rug and everything. And again, these were all purchased with those Fetch rewards. You may remember this DIY project that I had. This was a Goodwill find and a Goodwill flip. I'm going to include that and put it down on that lower level. Now, a lot of you may have vinyl siding like I do on my house, and you may remember I mentioned I was going to be hanging something kind of in this white space behind me. You can find vinyl siding hooks on Amazon, and these are great because all they do is slip right into the vinyl siding, and they have different weight limits. This is only like a 5-pound weight limit, but it's going to be perfect for the metal piece that I'm going to be hanging on the wall there behind me. So let's just go ahead and install it because it's really, really, really easy. Told you it was easy. And then we're going to be doing this blue sunshine. That way. Move it over just a little bit. And boom. Now, my little front porch oasis here is almost done. I did add that yellow blanket that I also did get from Amazon with those Fetch reward points. This is the fountain I was telling you about. I absolutely love this fountain and I love the sound of it. It is so peaceful and it actually has a very cool LED light right at the top of it. So it creates a very cool shadow on the ceiling when it's nighttime. Now, the only thing that I'm missing right now is some plants. So I did go to Home Depot and I grabbed a cart full of some different things. And I came home and tried to plant some of this. I did have a friend help me. My Mr. Disco Ball there is all decked out and ready to go. That did come from Amazon also. And then for the hanging baskets on either side of my steps, I added these yellow flowers. And then for the step itself, I wanted something white and very simple. And then I added this great palm tree instead of that plant stand that I mentioned earlier. And this is what my new peaceful front porch looks like. I am in love with this. I love the way it looks. And I think even this little guy is really loving it also.